Good morning. Positive for today. Tignan nyo naman to. Nature has a tendency to claim its space. Kagaya na lamang ng acacia tree na ito, which claims its space kahit sa ilalim ng kalsada. So why I am emphasizing it this time? Kasi kapag nag-walking ako either morning or afternoon at nakasasalubong ako ng house help, talagang iwas sila na gaganon. They are giving me much space. Kahit malaki yung kalsada, malaki yung pagsasalubungan naming daan. But anyway, lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang space. Nilikha tayo ng Diyos with the gift of space. Kaya wag sana nating hayaang mawala yung space na to because of our insecurities, our shortcomings, or even poverty. Merong pinaglaanan ng Diyos na espasyo para sa atin. At wag sana nating hayaan na kunin ng iba yung space natin. Kasi it's either maging accessory tayo ng paggingigahaman nila or mawalan tayo ng puwang kahit saan man tayo magpunta. Love, love.